Welcome children. Today we are going to see about 8th standard social science worksheet 9's answers. We got the questions from rocks and soils. First Roman, choose the best answer. First question, study of soil is called pedology. The third option is the answer. Second question, name the top layer of the earth where the plants grow. Soil is the answer. Third one, which one of these determine the color and texture of soil? The parent rock. First option is the answer. Fourth question, which of the following is not a threat commonly faced by soils? Percolation is the answer for the fourth question. Second Roman, match the following types of soil and crops has been given. For the first alluvial soil, paddy crop will be grown. So for A, third is the answer. B, red soil. Millet crops will be grown in the red soil. So first, this is the answer for this B1. C, black soil. For that, cotton plant will be grown. So fourth one is the answer for C. And laterite soil, tea and coffee plants will grow in laterite soil. So second is the answer for D. So the first option is the answer for the given match. Third Roman, label the layers. They have given a figure for us. We have to label all the parts of this figure. First one, it is organic layer. Second one, topsoil. Third, subsoil. Fourth one, parent material. And fifth one, bedrock. Fourth Roman, observe the image and answer the following questions. Seventh question, in that first question, what is basic component of soil? It is a mixture of many mineral particles and organic matters. Second question, mention the percentage of mineral percentage in the soil. Mineral percentage is 45%. Third one, which has the least percentage in the soil? Organic matter is 5% and that is the least in the soil. Fourth question and 7, a soil percentage is same in all the areas. No, based on the properties of rocks present, the soil percentage differs. Fifth Roman, say true or false. Eighth question, humus layer is dominated by organic materials. The statement is true. So first one, true is the answer. Second one, E stands for elevated layer. It is true. Third one, R layer consists of weathered parts of bedrock. It's true. Fourth one, soil erosion increases the fertility of the soil. It is a false statement, so false. Fifth one, soil conservation is the process of protecting the soil. It's true. Sixth Roman, complete the following mind map. They have given us a mind map. They have asked us the uses of soils. Soil is used for in agriculture. It is used in the survival of living things. And use of soil is abundant treasure is found in the soil. It is used in pot making and ceramics making. It's used in the construction purpose and handicraft works. Seventh Roman, complete the concept map. 10th question. We have to write the red soil's place where it is found, method of formation of it and crops grown, and also for black soil. First one, red soil. It is formed by weathering of metamorphic rocks. Found in a warm, temperate, moist climate region. It is derived from the crystalline rock and production of wheat, rice, pulses, millet, etc. as a crop grown in the red soil. Next one, black soil. It is found in both moderate rainfall and basaltic rock. It's a derivatives of trap lava. It is formed by weathering of igneous rocks. Cotton plants are grown in this black soil. Eighth Roman, fill up the box with suitable soil type using the clues given. They have given clay in nature and retentive of moisture. It is black soil. Brown to red in color is red soil. Found in wet and dry places formed by the process of leaching. It is laterite soil. We can otherwise call it as gravel soil. Fourth one, porous and salinous desert soil. Thin and acidic will be mountain soils. Ninth one, type of soil erosion or not in order. Find out and fill in the blanks. 12th, in that first one, sheet erosion. Second one, rill erosion. Third one, gully erosion is the answer. 10th Roman, observe the pie diagram and answer the questions. After observing the first question in it, plantation crops are grown in dash percentage of area. It is 2.62 percentage of area. The first option is the answer. 11th Roman, read the passage and answer the question. 14th question, soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface, usually composed of minerals, organic matter, living organisms, air and water. Grains in the soil are of three categories, namely clay, silt and sand. Soils are generally formed by the weathering of rock under different conditions. Some soils are formed by the deposition of agents of denudation. Soils can vary greatly from one region to the other. First question, why do soils vary from one region to the other? Temperature and precipitation are the main climatic factors that make the soil differs. Second question in it, soils are formed by rivers. Yeah, soils are formed by the silt brought by the rivers. Third one, soils are formed by wind. Wind carries small particles such as sand, silt and clay, windborne deposit. Fourth question, soils are formed by various rocks, minerals and plant materials and also based on the temperature and rainfall of a place. Yeah, soils are produced from rocks through the process of weathering and natural erosion, decomposition of living organisms. Fifth one, the same. Soils are formed by various denudation process. Soil is a mixture of organic matters, minerals, gases, liquids and organisms. Soils are formed from rocks through the process by weathering and natural erosion. 12th Roman, observe the map and answer a question. 15th question, what types of soil would you find the place where paddy is grown? Paddy is grown in alluvial soil and red soil. So, second one is the answer. So, paddies are grown in alluvial soil and red soil. Thank you, children.